This video is a beginner's guide to matching audio to your video inside Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's go. Let's get into Adobe Premiere Pro and have a look at this recording. Now you'll see I've got loads of mics in my studio there, and if I look at this audio, I'm going to zoom in using the plus key and make this audio a bit bigger. I can see I've got some claps here. This is super important for syncing audio. If you ever record on your camera's internal microphone and you want to use a professional mic in front of you, like condenser or shotgun, clap, clap, clap. I do it at the start of all my videos, and it really helps to sync up audio. Because here, I've got my internal mic. Hello, I'm Mike Russell from Music. As you can hear, it sounds absolutely awful, but don't worry, I also recorded my condenser microphone as well, and I can drag this in like so, and then I can see the claps there, and I can see my quality audio. Let's solo this track and play the condenser. Hello, I'm Mike Russell. Oh, much better. Okay, so how do I sync up the old school way, first of all? Well, I'm just going to trim that in a bit at the start, and then I'm going to zoom right in. Oh, a ninja tip here, by the way. First of all, make your audio track a bit bigger so you can see both tracks like that, and then right-click on the time bar and work in audio units, okay? Audio time units instead of time ruler numbers. This gives you samples to work with and not video frames. So look at how much more precise you can be now rather than moving by frame, and you'll often find that it's out of sync. Look at that. The perfect match. Whereas if I'm working in terms of frames only, you suddenly get, oh, you can't get it bang on. So audio time units is a ninja tip for really syncing your audio perfectly. Let's get it in like so. Let's be really precise here. The spike of the clap is not quite there. Look at that. We really want to dial that in to make it perfect. Come on, just nudge it over a few samples. Oh, it's so close. It's so close. Oh my goodness. I really dislike it when it's just ever so slightly off. That'll do. That will satisfy my OCD. And now, look at that. Hello, I'm Mike Russell from Music Radio. Nicely synced. Okay, we spent a lot of time doing that, actually. I'm going to switch off the time units for the moment. I'm going to undo my process and kind of Command Z until I'm back to where I started again. Okay, with the original audio. The easier way, the Adobe magic way of doing this synchronization is just select both tracks, right-click, look for synchronize, and then synchronize your audio. Track channel 1 is the reference there. Boom. It's as easy as that. Adobe does it for you. So hello, I'm Mike Russell from... Again, a very good sync indeed. Now again, I'm going to undo and I'm going to zoom out. What if you have no reference audio on your camera's internal mic? Let's just unlink these tracks and delete the original audio. So I'm just going to select up here, and I'm going to actually get rid of the audio track. So let's make sure that that is unlinked, and then we can delete that track. Now we're in trouble because, well, we don't know what we're doing. Well, hopefully you remembered to clap at the start. So if you did clap, then you can just synchronize this. Again, it's a bit sort of old school and a bit inaccurate, but you can gradually just the frame where you did the meeting of the hands about there, and you can sync this up there to your hand clap, and hopefully... Hello, I'm Mike Russell from... Hopefully you're doing good. But what if you've got no hand claps? Let's just delete the hand claps. So there's absolutely no reference, and then whack this way out of sync. Now you're in real trouble because you just don't know where you started. So you kind of have to play trial and improvement here, which is definitely interesting. So let's see. Hello, I'm Mike Russell. Oh, that was actually really good. Maybe I was cheating there a little bit. But say you got it here, and let's listen now. Hello, I'm Mike Russell. Yeah, that's definitely out of sync. So we have to kind of play trial and improvement and just listen and play. Hello, I'm Mike. Still a little bit out of sync. Hello, I'm Mike Russell from Music Radio. And we're vaguely in sync there now. So it's a case of trial and improvement. So do follow my tips of hand claps. Do get the reference file from your internal microphone. And do use the synchronize effect, which is available on any clip by right-clicking it and looking for the synchronize. You'll see it's grayed out because I'm only selecting one audio clip. If I have two audio clips, it will synchronize. If I have more audio clips, it'll sync them all together. It really is a magic feature in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you watch this far, you clearly like audio in Adobe Premiere Pro, and I suggest you go and watch my other videos. They're on the screen right now. I make vintage voices in Adobe Premiere Pro, and that is a really good one to check out next.